What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just doing a bit of a cool down jog and heading back to the car after running the McLaren Vale half marathon put on by the S8 Road Runners Club. Tell you what, a hard event, hard thought run. I really couldn't just get into that extra gear today. Just doing a cool down jog back to the car. Kelly ran the 5 kilometre and she's also volunteering at one of the Sharks drink stations, so we're going to go say hi to her. And absolutely amazing run, guys. So here's some footage. Hope you guys all enjoy it.